quiet and healthy. All of these things are important for an HVAC system. You can get that from the Carrier systems. You can get that from proper design. I want to talk a little bit about design and why design is so important in order to achieve comfort, quiet, healthy home.
You know, design starts with the Manual J. And Manual J takes the physical measurements of the home, the square footage of the walls, the ceilings, the windows, the U values of each, and internal heat gains, duct system gains, and combines it all into a total that says you need so many BTUs of sensible heat removal and so many BTUs of latent or moisture heat removal. And once you have that value, then you look at the AC system's capacities at the same design values and select the smallest system that will meet that criteria, not the largest system. But again, because you want the system to actually come on and operate. So that's why you want what we call a close design to load ratio, because those systems, they work best, they dehumidify the most, and they provide the best indoor air quality, because if you've got a great filter, you've got continuous filtration also, while the system is basically you got constant dehumidification. So it's the best of all worlds.
Single stage or two stage? Standard systems are like a car racing, and a two-stage system is like being able to take and slow that down but go from light to light. That's my representation of two-stage and single stage. Very important, isn't it?
Two-stage systems are wonderful. They really are, because even though we use a close load to capacity ratio when selecting a system, that design calculation is at 97 degrees outdoor, which is our design value for Greater Houston. Granted, it's not always 97 degrees. Even in August, it's not always 97 degrees, and we have the mornings, which is really cool. Then we have the off seasons also that are cool. So basically, what you find is, a two-stage system will stay on low stage, maybe 70 to 80% of its runtime. So again, you're getting a closer load to capacity ratio, and you get more constant runtime and actually at a higher efficiency value.
Yeah, so higher efficiency, lower energy consumption, better dehumidification. Two-stage equipment is what you'd recommend, isn't it?
Oh, without a doubt. I mean, the only reason you would not use a two-stage system is it's just, you were in a position that you couldn't afford it, that the 16-series single stage was, at this time, the most cost-effective thing that you could do. Otherwise, if a homeowner can afford the two-stage, it's pretty much a no-brainer.